Which structure connects the nasal cavity to the larynx? Option A pharynx, option B trachea, option C bronchus, option D diaphragm. The correct answer is option A pharynx. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity to the larynx and esophagus. The pharynx connects the nasal cavity to the larynx and esophagus. The alveoli are surrounded by a network of option A veins, option B arteries, option C capillaries, option D lymph vessels. The correct answer is option C capillaries. Capillaries allows gas exchange between blood and alveoli. Capillaries allows gas exchange between blood and alveoli. The next question. The process of breathing out is called option A inspiration, option B expiration, option C respiration, option D ventilation. The correct answer is option B expiration. Expiration is the act of expelling air from the lungs. The act of expelling air from the lungs is called expiration. Which gas is essential for cellular respiration? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. The correct answer is option A oxygen. Oxygen is vital for energy production in cells. Oxygen is vital for energy production in cells. The part of the throat that serves as a passage for both food and air is option A larynx, option B pharynx, option C trachea, option D epiglottis. The correct answer is option B pharynx. The pharynx is a common pathway for air and food. Next question. The voice is produced by the vibration of option A cilia, option B vocal cords, option C alveoli, option D diaphragm. The correct answer is option B vocal cords. Vocal cords vibrate as air passes to produce sound. Vocal cord produce sound. The lung capacity is measured using option A thermometer, option B spirometer, option C barometer, option D manometer. The correct answer is option B spirometer. Spirometer measures lung volume and capacity. Spirometer measures lung volume and capacity. Which of the following is an accessory muscle of respiration? Option A biceps, option B sternocleidomastoid, option C deltoid, option D gluteus. The correct answer is option B sternocleidomastoid. Sternocleidomastoid assists in deep inspiration by elevating the sternum. The next question. The exchange of gases in the lungs occurred by option A osmosis, option B filtration, option C diffusion, option D active transport. The correct answer is option C diffusion. Gases move across alveolar membranes by diffusion. Gases move across alveolar membrane by diffusion. Which of the following disease is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis? Option A asthma, option B tuberculosis, option C pneumonia, option D bronchitis. The correct answer is option B tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis infects the lungs causing tuberculosis. The dome-shaped muscle below the lungs is called option A heart, option B diaphragm, option C liver, option D stomach. The correct answer is option B diaphragm. The diaphragm separates the thoracic and abdominal cavities. The diaphragm separates the thoracic and abdominal cavities. The trachea divides into two main option A alveoli, option B bronchi, option C bronchioles, option D pleura. The correct answer is option B bronchi. The trachea splits into right and left bronchi. Next question. Which of the following protects lungs from friction during breathing? Option A mucus, option B pleural fluid, option C peritoneal fluid, option D synovial fluid. The correct answer is option B pleural fluid. Pleural fluid lubricate lung movement. Pleural fluid lubricate lung movement. The first part of the respiratory system that air enters is the option A larynx, option B nose, option C trachea, option D pharynx. The correct answer is option B nose. Air enters first through the nose. Air enters first through the nose. Which is the first part of respiratory system? Which part of the respiratory system produces sound? Option A nose, option B trachea, option C larynx, option D bronchus. The correct answer is option C larynx. The larynx contains vocal cords that produce sound. The larynx contains vocal cords that produce sound. The next question. The lungs are located in which cavity of the body? Option A abdominal cavity, option B thoracic cavity, option C cranial cavity, option D pelvic cavity. The correct answer is option B thoracic cavity. Lungs are within the thoracic cavity protected by rib cage. Lungs are within the thoracic cavity protected by rib cage. Which structure prevents the collapse of the trachea? Option A smooth muscles, option B cartilage rings, option C cilia, option D alveoli. The correct answer is option B cartilage rings. C-shaped cartilage keeps the trachea open. C-shaped cartilage keeps the trachea open. Which gas concentration increases in the blood during suffocation? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C carbon dioxide, option D hydrogen. The correct answer is option C carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide accumulates during suffocation. Carbon dioxide accumulates during suffocation. The respiratory center in the brain responds mainly to the levels of option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D hemoglobin. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. High carbon dioxide stimulates the medulla to increase breathing. In pneumonia, the first affected part of the body is option A liver, option B brain, option C lungs, option D heart. The correct answer is option C lungs. Pneumonia inflames lung air sacs, often filling them with fluid. Pneumonia inflames lung air sacs, often filling them with fluid. Which of the following occurs during exhalation? Option A diaphragm contract, option B diaphragm relaxes, option C lung expand, option D thoracic cavity increases. The correct answer is option B diaphragm relaxes. Relaxation decreases chest cavity volume, pushing air out. Relaxation decreases chest cavity volume, pushing air out. The main cause of asthma is option A bacterial infection, option B allergic reaction, option C viral infection, option D fungal infection. The correct answer is option B allergic reaction. Asthma is triggered by allergens causing airway inflammation. Asthma is triggered by allergens causing airway inflammation. The respiratory surface in human is option A skin, option B alveoli, option C bronchi, option D nose. The correct answer is option B alveoli. Alveoli provide the surface for gas exchange. Alveoli provide the surface for gas exchange. Which of the following conditions result from prolonged oxygen deficiency? Option A anemia, option B cyanosis, option C leukemia, option D asthma. The correct answer is option B cyanosis. Cyanosis is bluish skin due to low oxygen levels in the blood. Cyanosis is bluish skin due to low oxygen levels in the blood. Which part of the respiratory tract is shared by both food and air? Option A larynx, option B pharynx, trachea, bronchus. The correct answer is option B